Dude. Dude. Come on. I'm gonna show you how to do it real. No, really. Here's how you do it. Wait, does it actually turn night and stuff in this? That's pretty cool. Okay, now, here's how you slide on the bridge this time. You ready? Where are you? Okay, here you are. Ready? So hard. Oh, here. I did it. I did it. I did it. Oh, crap. I did it. I so did it. Okay, wait, it's night. It was daytime. I can much see, but... Okay, really. Come to that wall again. Dude, come to this wall.
Did you hear it?
No, I don't care. Come to this wall. Oh, crap. Dude, come to the wall. Dude, where are you?
Did you hear it?
Dude, just come to the wall.
Where'd that go? Okay. Why?
Okay, let's do this. Get out the way!
Ow! You're not even on the bridge! May you please scoot over where I am right now? Can you come towards me?
Dude, come here.
Dude, come on, look at me. You see me? Come towards me.
I'm so gonna get you.
You're not. You can't catch me.
Okay, ready? Here's how you do this.
Fail. I'm gonna try it. Fail.
Would you shut up?
Come on, try cutting me with your knife. I'm bored.
Okay, ready? Ah! Okay, wait. What's I'm glad I had that one on video.
Me flew.
Dude.
Did you see me fly?
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Wait.
Good night.
What? Hey, dude.
What's up, my friend?
Where?
Don't look
should try roasting this nice campfire. It's getting nighttime
Can you
anyway.
get back over here?
Dude, it's getting
Show
nighttime.
me how
Come
to do it
on.
again.
Dude, it's coming nighttime. We gotta roast this up with some nice.
You killed yourself. I'm gonna poke it.
Stop standing on me.
Sorry. Doodle it. Do you know how to do it again? Because we're lagging. Can you show me how to do that parkour thing? I'm not. Here. Dude, can you show me how to do that parkour?
What parkour?
How to get to the other side of that bridge?
Have you got onto it before?
No, I want to see how you did it, because you're lagging. Where are you? Where'd you go? Oh. No, not that. I know how to get up that. No, come here. I'm talking about over here. Oh, I got you.
No, you didn't. Am I laying down? Now I am. Hey, come here. I need your help for something. I want to try a glitch.
Show me. How do you get up on this thing? Like this? Crap.
What thing?
You're the expert at this.
What, the fence?
Come on.
What's wrong with you?
Dude, I still have it in my hand. Dude, look, it's in my hands right now. I don't know what happened. Literally just show me. Oh my god, dude, I still have my C4. I don't even have 2 boo-boos. I only have 1. I'm doing it.
Here's how you do it. You want to climb this. Moon. Whoa, that moon looks like a flashlight.
Whoa! That's so scary. Run for it. It doesn't work. I got this.
What's my character doing? He's like crawling on the ground.
It'll start to see you die. Like,
Hey, come here.
come on, dude. Let's poke your campfire. It's getting nighttime.
Dude, follow me.
Okay. Following you.
Dude, I want to see what's up here. Give me a boost. Give me a boost. Give me a boost.
Oh crap. Dude, let's poke the fire, dude. It's almost time up. Come on.
Okay, give me a boost.
You'll bet. It doesn't work. Dude, wait. Where's the fire? Where's the fire? Dude, the fire has to be get brighter. Poke the fire. We need to poke the fireman. You kill me, that's what you get, son. Okay, now let's just get over there real quick. Okay.
Hey, go back at that campfire. I want to try something.
Stand up.
at the last minute?
Yeah.
Why does your character always have those stupid goggles on? You're not swimming.
See you tomorrow, okay?
Okay. Wait.